Hi, I'm Mike Gubby from iSeek Blinds. In this video today, I'm going to explain the process of working out how many remote controls that you're going to buy for your roller blind motors, and then how to do your mud map so when you do get the blinds, you know exactly what channels you're going to put each individual roller blind onto, and then which roller blinds you're going to set as a group control. Now, everybody's situation is going to be different because the different environments we have in each one of our houses, but the basic principles that I'm going to say is all the same. Now, I'm going to split the video quickly into two parts. I'm going to talk about those people who are going to move on to a Wi-Fi hub and those persons that are going to just stay with a remote control. So let's start with persons going to a Wi-Fi hub. Then I'd still like you to buy a remote control to do the initial pairing of all of your roller blind motors. Now you've got 15 channels on each remote control. So if you've got less than 15 motors, then you just need to buy one remote control. And the reason for that is you're going to put the first blind on channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, so forth as you work clockwise around your home, okay? The reason for that is because when we are in each individual room, we're working with the remote control, then we've got the signal going directly from the remote control directly to the roller blind motor, and of course we're working directly in front of it, so everything's going to work seamlessly and there's going to be no gaps and there's going to be no delays. So that's very important. So if you do also have a remote control, even though you're moving to a Wi-Fi hub, then if the Wi-Fi goes down for whatever reason, then obviously you've still got control of the blinds through a remote control, or you can give one to a guest to control some blinds rather than going onto your Wi-Fi detail perhaps. But more importantly, it's just about the initial pairing that I'd like you to do with one of the remote controls. Now, for those of you that are just going to stay with the remote control, then once again, each remote control has 15 channels, okay? So depending as you go around and you decide which rooms are going to have a remote control, and maybe your open living area just may listen to one remote control, well, that will determine exactly how many remote controls that you're going to buy for your home. For example, you might put one each in each of the bedrooms and then one in the open living area. Now, the process of pairing the motors to the remote controls is the same. I like to use channels 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, depending on how many roller blinds there are in that room. So I've got and created my own unique channel. So if I need to adjust the limit or set a favorite position, then I've always got a channel available that I can talk just to that motor. So that's really important. But of course, during the day, then I might have my open living area and I might have the sunscreen blinds on channel 2, and I might have all the blockout blinds on channel 1. So you can create whatever environment you want in your home, but the circumstances are just going to be a little bit different for all of us. So I hope you found that helpful. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.